Alright, let's talk about a rugged tablet. Rugged tablet? Yeah, it's not a rugged smartphone, this is a rugged tablet and this is from Hotwav. This is Hotwav R6 Pro and this one comes with a lot of interesting features and yeah, definitely this one comes with IP68, IP69K and military standard 810H certification. So this is a pretty much rugged tablet and what actually made me super happy is I have never thought that a rugged tablet would come with a very good display panel. This is actually a bit different. This one comes with a 10.1-inch LCD panel. Screen resolution is 1280 by 800. Screen size is 216mm by 135mm, 151-inch pixel per inch density, and this one supports 60Hz refresh rate. Well, let's talk about the most important thing, the CPU. This one is powered by MediaTek Helio P60, which is known as MT6771M. This Helio P60 is an octa-core SoC. This one comes with 4 Cortex A53 cores and 4 Cortex A73 cores. Well, this MediaTek Helio P60 is a very capable SoC, which offers a very good performance. And this Hotwav R6 Pro comes with Android 12 out of the box and Android 12 for a budget rugged tablet out of the box. That's great! Okay, we have talked about the specifications of this rugged tablet. Let's check the outlook, appearance and build quality of this rugged tablet. I really like this design. Definitely this rugged tablet is built with premium materials and as this one is military standard 810H certified, this one definitely can go through a few drops and bumps. But look at this symmetric design. I especially like this X. It seems like a butterfly. If you check carefully, definitely this looks like a butterfly. And at the beginning, at a glance, I was like so excited. Look at this design language. Oh my gosh. This brand Hotwav really have done a lot of research and found the best appearance for this tablet. This one is not only a rugged tablet, this one also comes with very good outlook and appearance, which is almost impossible for many other brands to deliver. Because if you have checked other rugged smartphones, most of the brands, they fail to deliver very good outlook and appearance. I would even buy this tablet only for its design, outlook and appearance. Well, there is a rear camera block, there is a 16 megapixel sensor with autofocus which actually performs better than many other rugged smartphones. That is really a crazy thing. There are 4 screws at the back for different use case scenarios. Well, on top you will find the SIM tray which actually is a hybrid SIM tray. We can use either 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and a TF card which is known as microSD card. The USB-C port is also located on top. Both the USB-C port and the SIM tray is well protected with a cover. You will also notice a speaker grill on top and there is another speaker grill at the bottom. The power button and the volume rockers all are located at the bottom and the primary microphone is located at the bottom. Yeah, there is a secondary noise cancellation microphone which is located on the lower right corner. Well, Hotwav R6 Pro comes with a hybrid SIM tray. We can use 2 SIM cards at the same time or we can use 1 SIM card along with a microSD card. We can expand storage with a microSD card. Yeah, we can expand up to 1 terabyte of storage. Well, as I have mentioned earlier, this Hotwav R6 Pro comes with a very good outlook and appearance. So yeah, I'm gonna give this one 10 out of 10 for outlook and appearance and definitely this will get 10 out of 10 for build quality. Now let's go through the review process. First we will check display, then speaker, then we will play some games and then finally we will check the camera performance. Yeah, there is another thing we should talk about and that's battery. Let's talk about the battery first. This one comes with a 15,600 mAh battery and offers almost 38 days of standby time. You don't have to believe me, you have to try. I have been using this one for almost 8 days now and I have never recharged it. I have never connected it to any type of charger and this one still have 60% of battery left after 8 days of usage, heavy usage. So that means Hotwav R6 Pro will actually offer something more than what Hotwav has claimed in their marketing materials. Well, it's time for gaming. I have been playing games on this Hotwav R6 Pro for almost 8 days now and I have never felt any issues. Yeah, if you wanna play Genshin Impact, then maybe this isn't a perfect choice because this isn't a gaming device. But as this Hotwav R6 Pro comes with a very capable SoC Helio P60 and octa-core SoC, this one actually offers a very good performance. Pretty fluid, buttery smooth in-game experience, and I've never felt like I'm playing games on a rugged tablet. One more time, I emphasize, I have never felt like I'm playing games on a rugged tablet. Rather, I have felt like I'm playing games on a mid-range tablet. That's the verdict about gaming. If you want fluid gaming performance, then definitely this one will offer very fluid in-game experience, as I've mentioned earlier, and you can actually throw any game at it. And among all the Helio P60 based devices, this Hotwav R6 Pro will offer one of the best performance. Well, I'm not gonna speed up this part of this gameplay session because I wanna check you carefully. There is no such lagging, no such thermal throttling, no such issue even after playing games for hours after hours.
Mayhem, we could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race, life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind.
Well, we have already talked about the display panel. Hotwav R6 Pro comes with a LCD panel. This is a 10.1-inch LCD panel. Even if this one is a LCD panel, I believe this one is one of the best LCD panels that I have ever tested or I have ever used. Black is truly dark, white is very bright. All the colors are pretty natural, yet vivid and vibrant. It's neither saturated nor pale. There is no such color tint, and every bit of color is actually reproduced with perfection. This is not only amazing, this is truly surprising, because even under very heavy studio light or very bright sunlight, this display panel is totally visible without any issue.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody and stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy and
This is how we install the strap at the back of this Hotwav R6 Pro. This strap actually is very helpful because when we are using this as a tool in our work environment or even when we are watching movies, this one actually offers comfort and convenience. Well, here you can see I'm wearing working gloves, and this Hotwav R6 Pro actually is usable with these working gloves. Look at this.
redemption, just kill no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression.
You can wear any type of mechanical installation or working gloves. Single layer, dual layer, any type of gloves are okay with this Hotwav R6 Pro. And we can even play games with this type of working gloves on. That's really super crazy. As I mentioned earlier, there are two dedicated speakers. One is located at the bottom and another is located on top. But even if these speakers are located at the bottom and on top, in landscape mode, these speakers actually offers truly premium quality stereo sound. Let's listen to the same music that I always use to test all of my smartphones and tablets. Let's see how good is the performance of this Hotwav R6 Pro.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all the quit.
Well, it's time to check the camera performance. Hotwav R6 Pro comes with two 16-megapixel sensors. One is located at the back and another is located in front. Let's check some photos that I have taken with this Hotwav R6 Pro side by side with a budget mid-range smartphone.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody and stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy ends break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test.
Okay, this should be the end of this video. Hotwav R6 Pro is the best in its segment. But wait, Hotwav is gonna give away a Hotwav R6 Pro to someone deserving. Yeah, if you deserve it, then definitely you are gonna get this for free. But how to decide whether you deserve it or not? Yeah, there is a link given in the description box below. Go ahead, check that link. If you go through the rules and guidelines, then who knows, maybe it's you who is gonna win this Hotwav R6 Pro. Go ahead, check that link. But wait, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. And if you're interested to check what things I have got inside the box of this Hotwav R6 Pro, let's finish this video. We are gonna do the unboxing now. This is the box of Hotwav R6 Pro. The design language of Hotwav packaging is really different. Pretty simple yet elegant. On top of the box, it says 10.1 inch and Android 12. Well, after opening the top lid, the first thing you will notice is this Hotwav R6 Pro. Underneath the tablet, there are a lot of things. Well, there is a user manual, a very thick user manual with a lot of illustrations, and Hotwav has actually given all the guidelines in details with description, so you don't have to worry about anything. There is a very good quality USB-C to USB-C charging cable included inside the box. They have also included a USB-C to USB-A dongle and 4 extra screws. There is a screwdriver and a strap along with some tools are also included in the box. If you are interested to know, then yeah, Hotwav R6 Pro comes with a 20-watt charger included inside the box. You can already understand, as this one comes with a SIM tray, that means this one supports LTE connectivity. Yeah, I have tried with many different SIM cards and this one offers a very good LTE performance. 4G network connectivity and speed is top notch. Well, that's all about this Hotwav R6 Pro, and I'm super satisfied with this Hotwav R6 Pro, as Hotwav has announced a giveaway of this Hotwav R6 Pro. If you're interested, then go ahead. There is a link given in the description box below. Also, please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains.